Wellness not just an activity to promote physical wellness, but also a vivid demonstration of solidarity, collaboration, and shared responsibility. Maraming salamat po sa lahat po ng aming inimbitahan. Of course, sa Philippine National Police, sa Bureau of Jail Management and Penology, sa Bureau of Corrections, sa Philippine Drug Enforcement Agency, and sa National Bureau of Investigation.
Ihanda na ang inyong mga ngiti, energy at teamwork. Let's have a meaningful and enjoyable day together.
The Lakad Run is more than just a fun run. It is a symbol of how we, as partners, can come together to create a unified front in the ongoing journey to protect and promote human rights. Sa mga kasamahan natin, sa mga security sectors, maraming salamat sa inyo. Malaking bagay po sa amin ito na kami ay sinamahan po ninyo sa araw na ito. Ito ang start of the culmination activity ng ating lakbay karapatan tungo sa kamalayan. Lahat po ng region sa buong Pilipinas nakapag-conduct na ng lakaran, and dito sa NCR po ginawa ang culmination.
So it is both an honor and a privilege to welcome everyone to this important community-based dialogue. Your presence signifies your unwavering commitment to human rights and justice. Today's dialogue goes beyond mere discussion. It is a crucial step in reinforcing our collective mission to uphold and advance human rights in our communities.
Konsepto po ng lakaran ay nabuo mula ho nung unang araw namin sa komisyon. Ginawa ho kasi namin ay nakipag-ugnayan kami sa mga iba't ibang sektor at inalam namin kung ano yung kailangang gawin ng komisyon.
Ano ho bang pinag-uugatan ng ating usaping pagdating ng human rights? Yung Universal Declaration of Human Rights. Ito yung binabalik-balikan nating dokumento ng 1948. Dito po nakaangkla lahat ng usapin ng human rights. Ito po yung mother document po natin.
As we embark on this journey, let us reaffirm our commitment to excellence, innovation, and service to humanity. May this partnership flourish and bring lasting contributions to human rights education in the Philippines.
Today's gathering reflects a shared commitment to empowering communities, advancing human rights, and ensuring that the principles of justice and accountability are accessible to everyone. You play a crucial role in bridging gaps between the marginalized and the systems designed to protect them. We look forward to the fruitful exchanges and transformative outcomes of this event.
Let us approach this dialogue with open minds and collaborative spirits, making this a significant step toward a just and equitable future for all. Together, we can make certain that no voice is silenced and no individual is left behind in the pursuit of human rights and dignity for all.
Alam niyo, napakahalaga ng inyong mga function. We have been counselors with us. At kayo po yung nagpapanday ng pulisiya. Pero yung tututukan po natin ngayon, yung pulisiya patungkol naman po sa human-related ordinance.
Yung kanang kamay naman po, yung kanang kamay. Okay, pakibalagay sa balikat ng ating katabi. Pakisabi din na tayo ay may karapatan at dignidad.
By incorporating human rights principles in the way we run our local governments, we are essentially reinforcing a sense of humanity in everybody's consciousness and being. This dialogue serves as a platform for collaboration where we can exchange insights, build capacities, and strengthen our collective resolve to defend and promote human rights.
Tumindig tayo at patuloy na ipaglaban ang ating mga karapatan. Tumindig tayo at manindigan para sa mga inaapi dahil ang pananahimik ay nangangahulugan ng pagkonsidito.
Together, let us reinforce our collective dedication to creating a society where justice is not just a concept, but a lived reality for all.